are going to see start contributing to Bruno documentation. So first thing you have to do is that navigate to github.com, use Bruno. This is the official account for the Bruno. Then navigate to Bruno docs. Once you get here, you have to click on fork because we want a clone of that this repository on our machine, on our personal GitHub account, so we can clone that. So click on fork. You can rename this as you want, but I will keep this as it is. I don't want to rename that. Basically, it will create a Bruno docs folder when you do git clone. That's the simple thing. The fork will be available. Yeah. So now fork is available. So we have to copy the HTTP keys. You can use SSH and GitHub CLI depend on your requirements. Now open a terminal. I already have a terminal. You have to create a folder, or you have to navigate to the location you want to store your project. So we'll go to desktop Bruno. I have that Bruno folder, and I will simply do git clone. So these are the git commands. If you're not familiar with the git, you can use the git desktop, or you can go and check out the git tutorials on the YouTube or the Google. There are plenty of them. You can follow anyone and you can understand this stuff. So just clone the whole repo that we have. So it will clone all the repository. As you see, you can cloning into Bruno docs, means it's created a Bruno docs folder inside that. After that, we need a code editor. You can use any ID or code editor of your choice. I'm going to use a VS Code because I'm mostly familiar and I like the VS Code, so I'm going to use the VS Code as a code editor. So navigate to cd Bruno docs. Right now we are in Bruno docs directory. As you can see, it's showing a main branch. So you can do one thing is that you can open this in VS Code. Yeah, right now the VS Code is available. So it's clone. So just close, and yeah, the VS Code is open now, and all the folders and structure is copied. It's created a Bruno docs folder, as I mentioned previously while creating a fork. So I will give the simple perspective of the simple walkthrough what we have in a Bruno docs. So it's an extra project with support MDX. Nextra is built on top of Next.js and React. So basically, it's a combination of MDX, the Markdown, and the React and Next.js stuff. So you can just build any your own customized components, and you can render that within MDX, so which is makes it full. So that's why we choose Nextra for our documentation. Then these are the source. You can, if you go to source, these are the pages that we have. These are the API docs. So you're going to contribute to documentation. These are the pages directory is most important for you. So you can contribute to any docs, like go to secret management, Azure Key Vault. Yeah, this is the document. So if you want any issue with that, you can create a branch, which we are going to see. So let's see, first run the app. The first thing we have to do is npm install to install all the dependencies. Here is readme file which you can go through, and you can understand how we can do this stuff. So there is a contribution.md file which I'm looking for. You can go here and you can search for contributing.md. Yeah, we have this file. Yeah, so you can follow this as well. You can use the extension, Markdown extension. You just convert the Markdown into Markdown viewer, you can say. So yeah, you can do that. So first thing you have to do is we did git clone Bruno docs. Right now npm install, copy this, paste this here. Just do one thing, npm install, just copy and paste. It will install all the dependencies that we have. Then we have to do npm run there. I'm just following the official guide. You can do the same thing. It will install the dependencies. It will take some time to install because we have a large dependencies files. So yeah, it's showing some warnings. You can avoid that. You can do npm run there. It will, as the documentation mentioned, it will open a HTTP localhost. Go and just go to your browser and just paste so colors 3000. It will give you the Bruno docs live page, just like if you visit to docs.usebruno. So this is official documentation. So right now it's available as well. So right now you are running a Bruno documentation on your local machine. So congratulations, and you can start contributing to it. If you found any issue, any broken links, any grammar mistakes, any images you can think can improve, any feature request you want to submit, any particular thing you figured out is a bug or something, you can go to repository here and you can just simply go to Bruno. This is the issue. You can create a simple issue here. You can submit a PR and someone from the community will review that PR, and yeah, from the Bruno team someone will review that PR, and yeah, if it looks good we can merge. These are the contributors you can see, and yeah, bunch of stuff. Now go to VS Code. We are running, so I just show you the testing. These are the testing document that we have. These are the other documents. We use Tailwind, which is a inbuilt. Yeah, these are the important walkthrough. If you want to add any images while working on particular issue or PR, you can go to assets and screenshots, public assets, and you can add. There is particular format that we follow. It's available in the GitHub repository. That particular format you have to follow. So yeah, that's something. Right now, let's see how we can contribute. So first thing you have to do is git remote to just see how many remotes we have. We have only one remote, that origin. So remote is that it just connect your local fork to your original fork of the repository. It will help you to keep updated the both repo, which is your local fork as well, and the original. So original is just like whenever someone puts some changes, it will pull you that changes into your local fork. Yeah, it's a basic GitHub stuff. If you are beginner, don't understand this stuff, you can go to online, you can view any document, any tutorial on the YouTube, and you can understand. So we'll add git remote, and upstream. Make sure you are in a main branch while doing this. So go to, and you have to copy the original branch, not the local one. You can see I'm in an official account of Bruno docs, and just paste the link here. It just created a remote. So if you go to git remote v, it will show you the, right now we have upstream and origin, this both things. So origin is your local, so when you push some changes, you are going to push on your origin, which is your local fork, and it will automatically link that to your upstream. And yeah, that's how the workflow works. So we'll do git, we'll create a branch. It's always a good practice to follow. If you are creating a feature, you can create a feature and feature name, or if you are working on a bug, this is a standard GitHub practice you have to follow. Like a fix, like a bug, issue, or bug name, whatever you want to. But here I'm going to show you this docs demo example. Yeah, so we created this branch, docs demo example. If you think like there is some problem with this document, there is some bug, there is something you can improve, so you can just simply change this 3001, and you can see like git status. You can see we updated the readme file, so it will going to show you that we have this file updated. So you can commit, just like you can add the changes first. This is git commit and some added a minor changes. Write a meaningful commit is more important. I'm just going you, like I'm showing you the basic stuff. It's not something that we are going to push. That's why I'm giving a very simple idea overview how you can start contributing. But prefer the standard practices. It's help you to as an individual as well as the maintainer of the repositories, so they can actually go through your PR, understand, and just give the quick feedback. compared to you just messing up all stuff. It just create a more issue for the reviewer or the contributor to review your PR, and yeah, that's how you can avoid, always follow the best practices while doing this. uh, then we are not going to push, but I will just give you an idea how you can push git origin, push branch name, docs, code, and yeah, that's how we are going to push the changes to the main repo. We are not, because it's not a valid change that we did. I just showed you for the example purpose. So yeah, this is how you can contribute to Bruno docs. You can go to any documentation and read that docs from here, and if you found any issue, any broken links, anything, you can go and just create a issue, and we are happy to help you that how you can improve that, and we can fix how you can create a PR. You can share anything in a Bruno Discord regarding Bruno features, issue that you want to, how you can improve the Bruno documentation. We have a separate channel in a Bruno Discord channel as a docs, where you can share your views, and yeah,